You're welcome to this tutorial. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to create your consistent characters without having without going through a lot of efforts. The method I'm going to teach you now is not like the common method whereby you are going to start editing your prompts, putting in some adjustments. So the first thing you want to do is you are going to get your script ready. So in this case, you are going to use the children niche. I will provide the prompt for you in the description. Please check. You're going to get the prompt directly from this under this post. You're going to see it in the description. I'll prepare the prompt for you. Just copy and paste. Give me 20 story idea for kids. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. So when it gives you this, you have to pick anyone you like. So the next, let me copy only one. So the next is kindly give me story storyline for this particular title. So don't forget don't forget this is for kids. You can put age 6 to 9. So when you say that in, let us send and let me have this and use only one character in the story. In the story. So this is it. The next thing is that we want to get prompt prompt illustration for each scene for this story. So now you copy, just follow me. You now copy this, you copy all the scripts given by ChatGPT, copy the script. So you copy everything like this, then give it back to ChatGPT that I need uh, prompt illustration for each scene, for each scene, for the scripts you give, or you provided, scripts you provided. You see, 3D. Like to use 3D. Don't forget this is for kids. So 3D illustration for each scene for the script you provided. So you will now paste the script under it, then you click on send. So here it is. This is exactly what we want. This is exactly what we want. So we are having our illustration now. What do you want to do? This is the first illustration. Just follow. You don't need to start editing the each illustration prompt given to you. You don't have to keep on start editing, adding some description of the first person, the first character. So this is it. Just copy the first character this way. The app we're going to use is Gemini. So open a new chat. When you open a new chat, click on create image, then paste in your prompt. Just paste in. Don't forget, we are doing only one character. We want we want a character to appear throughout the story, but I'm going to teach you another method when you want to do about 2 characters or 3 characters. So let's continue with this. So you click on send. So when you click on send, please you can check the prompt if you're okay with it, and if you're not okay with it, you can do some adjustments. So this is exactly perfect. You can another thing you can do is you can put it in your description that it should be in a certain dimension of your choice. So let us continue. What this is the main character, right? The next thing is that you don't even need to start coming back here, changing the description and the like. No, 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 no. The only thing you want to do now is that since the scene 2 is talking about the talking pencil, so now you have to read through the illustration now. Read it. When you read it, for instance, a shy child opening a school bag on a desk and discovering a pencil glowing softly, magical lights around. So read it. When you read it, the main thing you want to get here is that what is the action done by this character? What is the action done by this character in this scene two? When you take note of that, in this scene two now, it is talking about the child opening the school bag. What do you want to do? Just copy it like this. This is what you want to do. So when you copy it, you now take it to, in the common method is that when you copy this, then you start describing the same person, you start describing it so that it can give you consistent character. No, what you just want to do, why I like this Gemini is that it will give you consistent character. Yes, based on this method. You don't need to start like editing the description. So you just say the boy, please just follow. This is exactly what you should do. The boy or the kid. Say the kid, whatever prompt you are giving this Gemini under this chat, always use the kid or whatever the prompt, whatever the character you are creating. Just say the kid. It will understand it. Then paste in the one you copy from ChatGPT. Then you send. So allow it to load. You will see exactly what you are talking about. Exactly what you are talking. So this is it. So the next thing is that we want to that is this how you continue to generate the prompt. You go back here, then read through what is the main thing that the character did. So you have to just copy it. So you now copy from here, write it completely in a notebook doing an exam. So the only thing just copy. You can even copy to this length. So just copy it. Then don't forget, just add the boy. That's just the thing. Just add the boy. Then next, it will understand it. Or the child, sorry. So I already copied the child, so I'm supposed to delete this. But let's see. So this is how you create your consistent character using this method. You can see you continue to get consistent characters. So in the case whereby you need to create different characters, for instance, what do you want to do? You create new charts for each characters. Let us assume this is the first character. So the second character, you are going to open new chart for the second character. You can rename it for you to for you to know the each character's chart. So what do? You now copy. For instance, let's say this is the second character. You copy it, and then you create. Sorry, I'll click. So you create. So this is how you do it. This is how you complete your creation. Why you will be getting your consistent characters. So let's see. So you can see. So let us this is the second character. You only be changing the illustration prompt using this English. Please don't forget the boy. Don't forget, please usually use it so that it will give you the consistent characters you to understand. So I hope this video will help you, and I hope it will save you a lot of time creating your consistent characters. Thank you for watching.